Hello guys, today I will show you how to optimize your NVIDIA control panel to get maximum performance and boost your FPS easily. Anyone who using NVIDIA graphic card can apply these settings to get best performance and increase the efficiency. So let's go to the first step. Go to your NVIDIA control panel. And here you can see an option is showing manage 3D settings. So go to the manage 3D settings, and here you can see global settings and program settings. You have to choose global settings, and in the list you can see here an option open GL rendering GPU. Here default is showing auto, so you have to turn it to GeForce GTX and your card name. Second option is power management mode. You have to enable prefer maximum performance. And the third option is texture filtering quality, so you have to maximize this option too. These three are the main settings you have to follow. And guys, now you have to go to the configure surround PHYX, and you have to apply all the settings. Here you can see a option is showing here in the PHYSX configure surround. You have to choose GeForce GTX and your card name, because there is a default option, so you have to choose your card. And now the last option is go to the control panel and go to the power options, and here you can see a option is showing what do you want, balanced high performance. So you have to turn on high performance settings to get maximum performance from your NVIDIA graphic card. So guys, these are the settings you can apply in your NVIDIA graphic control panel and use them to get and increase maximum performance and boost your gameplay FPS easily. Hope this video is very useful for you, and subscribe to our channel